Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hanan. I'm a native Arabic speaker. I was born in Saudi Arabia, lived for many years in the United Kingdom, and now live in the United States. I have a certificate in teaching Arabic as a foreign language from SOAS, University of London. I have been teaching adults and children, individuals and groups for many years. I've also worked in interpreting and translating English to Arabic and vice versa in the areas of health, education, and the community. Marhaba. So, I'm going to do a brief session on the differences between ta المربوطة, ta المفتوحة, and the ha. ta المربوطة, ta المفتوحة, and the ha. Because it can be quite confusing. As you can see from here, the ha in wajhun and intabih, wajhun, intabih, looks very similar to this letter at the end, but we pronounce this as muhandisatun. We pronounce this as ta, and jamilatun, tun. There are two dots on top, and here there are no dots. Two dots and no dots. Jamilatun and muhandisatun. Thing that sounds very basically similar to this is ta al-maftuha. Ta al-maftuha. Like bintun and akaltu. Akaltu and bintun. So why is the confusion then? Because they look different. I'll tell you. So I'll give you a few sentences. The first one is an example of ta al-marbuta. Ta al-marbuta. Samiratu muhandisatun. Samiratu muhandisatun. The ta al-marbuta is pronounced as a ta. The same as ishtaraytu al-bayta. Ishtaraytu al-bayta. And for the last sentence, intabih lil-miyahi. Intabih lil-miyahi. So when we see them written, we know the difference. Here's the confusion, where the confusion comes from. If you put a sukoon, if you pronounce this with a sukoon instead of a dhamma, you would say samira, samira. So it sounds like a ha. And then muhandisatun will be muhandisa, muhandisa. While if you put a sukoon on ta al-maftuha, ishtarayt al-bayt, ishtarayt al-bayt. Do you see? Even when I use a sukoon, I still have to pronounce the ta. Ishtarayt al-bayt. While here is samira muhandisa. And finally, if you put a sukoon on the ha, you still pronounce it as a ha. Intabih lil-miyah. Intabih lil-miyah. So this is where the confusion comes. While the ta al-maftuha is always pronounced as a ta, either with a sukoon, or when you stop on the word, or with a haraka. Ha is always pronounced as a ha, with a sukoon, or when you stop on the word, or with a haraka. The ta al-marbuta goes with both. With a haraka is pronounced as a ta, and with a sukoon is pronounced as a ha. Okay. Don't worry, this is something that many people get confused, but as you go through the lesson, you'll understand the differences between the different words.